Hippos may look cute from afar, but in reality, they are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, with their massive size and powerful jaws. Hippos are known to be more aggressive than lions and crocodiles. They even attack boats and humans who get too close to their territory. They can run as fast as 20 miles per hour on land, despite their herbivorous diet. They are territorial and fiercely protective of their young. So, next time you see a hippo grazing by the water, remember the deadly truth about these seemingly gentle giants.